Wow! Wow! Kaya nga, wow! Laki! Ah!
Big as a pelican, big as a hawk, a stork, an eagle. So how they can take down those big birds in spite of their size? So what they're going to do is that they're going to fly high for around 400 to 500 meters up. And when they see their prey, they're going to dive down. So when they dive down, they can dive as fast as more than 200 miles per hour. So that's how fast they can dive, making them the fastest bird in the world in terms of diving. Of course, if the other birds will going to do the same technique as the falcon does, so their lungs will going to explode. It's because of a very strong air pressure. A very good example is that if you're going to drive 150 kilometers per hour in your car and you're going to put your head outside, it's very hard for us already to breathe. But for them, diving that amount of speed, they can still breathe normally because outside their nose they have a small bone, and this small bone is the one who's regulating the normal air pressure. So that's why they can still breathe normally, making them the king of the sky. Because even though that they are known as the king of the sky, they are not king of the ground. So when they are on the ground, they are very vulnerable. Even a small bird can give a very serious damage to them. So normally they're going to hide their food on the mountains, on the trees, and they're going to eat as fast as they can. Like I told you, they are not like I told you, they are very vulnerable on the ground. So this Saker falcon that we are flying right now, this is one of our rescued birds here in our center. It was escaped from the previous owner, and it was seen sitting on the balcony, and the crows are the one who is eating the left eye. And this is only have a one eye. It doesn't have an eye on the left side. It's only using the right side. So even though that if I didn't say that this one only using a one eye, you will not going to get noticed because it's still sharp and still focused on its prey. So we're going to fly another one. their color feathers from the adult is different. So for a young one, most likely the color feather is more dark brown to blackish color. Feathers will going to change
Black
into a
na.
full white, and the face will change into a yellow color.
Nakakatakot.
Ano maglalabas kayo ng
Lang?
malaki hindi?
Ah.
Ah.
Bird species in the world. So which means that you're going to see this bird in almost every continent. So the barn owl, or most of the owl, they are known as the silent hunter because they can fly in almost perfect silence. So that's why they can fly in almost perfect silence, because at the edge of their flight feathers, their wings feather or their wing feathers are serrated. The edge of their wings feathers are serrated. So this is the one.
Mukhang ang tahimik na siya lumipad.
Turbulence that
Snowy owl? Honey, yan ba yun? Yung inuwi mo sa bahay? Oh, ang cute oh. Look, wow. So cute. Looking at us, look.
Hi, Hedwig.
Hindi pa rin siya. Snowy owl ba yan?
barn owl.
Barn
Barn
owl.
owl.
Akala ko si Hedwig.
Ang cute, no?